Hey guys, welcome back, and I hope you are all doing well. Yesterday we were looking at our app and we have done the transaction screen, and also like we had some issue with the uh, the widget in the overview page. And actually the issue is still there. I was not able to figure out what's wrong with this, but I was able to fix the issue with this one. The issue was with this title row. So I'm gonna leave this as it is for now, and I'm gonna move ahead with creating this account page today. So this is what you technically you call it tech debt. So I'm keeping it for now, so that I'll revisit it later. So what we will do is, let me pull up the design. So this is our account screen. Where we have this grid, this again the last transaction, then this is the card, then this graph, and the invoices. So let's see how to add it. We haven't worked with grid in our application yet, so let me show you how to do that. So account screen. So this what we can call it as, let me call that as account grid itself. So I'll create one more folder, account, and in this I'll create barrel file, presentation. Inside this accounts grid dot dart. Sorry. So from the presentation I'll take the account grid and export it. Then here the account screen, so this time let's check out how this custom scroll works. So there have we have used a single child scroll view. Here we will see how custom scroll works. So this is the custom scroll view, and this uh, if you see this extends the scroll view, then again it is a stateless widget, and this takes in slivers. So sliver is nothing but part of an UI in the flutter. So as you know, in flutter everything is widget, and in a widget, actually all the widgets are built with slivers itself. um, and so here, since it is expecting a sliver, we cannot pass the widget uh, like account grid. So if you do that, you can see render viewport expected a child of render sliver but received render error box. So that's why we need to adapt this one to the sliver. You have different widgets for that. One is sliver to box adapter, or you can use uh, sliver fill remaining if you see, it takes a widget as a child. What sliver fill remaining does is it fills the sliver. uh, I think that overview widget I should just comment it out. Okay. Mm, why is this happening? What is causing this? Okay, this is interesting. Oh, my bad. This is a mobile layout, so I just have to comment it out here. Not that one, but this one. Card slider also has issue. Okay. So account, let's just focus on account screen for now. Um, see, this is the scroll, right? So you can add the number and it will scroll. So yes, we have to use a grid here. So grid view has a grid view, builder, then count, custom and extend. Let me first show you the grid view. You need a grid delegate. Um, so we have said so the grid view is also expecting it to have some size, and I will make it shrink wrap true so that it will wrap around the children instead of expecting a height. And here what I have done is, I'm saying that there will be two uh, widgets in the cross axis. If I say 3, then it will make space for 3 widgets. And so we can add it like this, and this aspect ratio is set to 1.5. What it does is, it is the width by height. So now I can say 1, then it becomes square. That will be it will be better if I make one with some color for you to distinguish. See, and if I make it 1.5, it takes 1. It is like 3 by 2, so it takes 3 and then it takes 2. And you can also have 16 by 9. So here it is somewhat 16 by 9 only. Then we need to add some space here. So cross-axing space. So this is the gap that we are adding here. And main axis space also 20, which will add the gap here. And then we have a bit of padding. So what I'll do is, instead of using the adapter, I'll just add sliver padding. Okay, sliver padding, edge insets dot symmetric horizontal. Okay, okay, this is also expecting a widget sliver to blocks adapter. Okay. Now we have the spacing here. So there is no padding or anything like that here. I'll also make it shrink wrap, but we need some top padding, right? So for that I'll add padding here, symmetric vertical 20. And looking at all these widgets, we can actually go for horizontal also, and just remove this one. Then we need to create this card. I'll make it as account card dot dart, and I'll put that inside widgets. Account card, which is can be a container. That color and icon, right? So I can wrap this inside a row, and I can have an icon. And this account card goes inside like this. So okay, now let's style this one. What we need to do is decoration, box decoration,